In today's digital age, our lives are constantly bathed in artificial light. But have you ever wondered how this affects your sleep? Blue light, the kind emitted by phones, tablets, and LED lights, has become a ubiquitous part of our daily routine. But did you know it could be undermining your sleep quality? If you find yourself tossing and turning at night, despite a seemingly perfect sleep environment, blue light might be the culprit. This article explores why blue light is so detrimental to your sleep and offers practical solutions to help you regain restful nights. How does blue light disrupt your body's natural rhythms? What can you do to mitigate its effects? Dive into the science behind blue light and discover actionable strategies to protect your sleep and improve your overall health. Let's start by understanding what blue light is and how it impacts your rest. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Blue light is a type of high-energy visible, or HEV, light with short wavelengths and high energy, ranging from about 380 to 500 nanometers. It is a natural part of the light spectrum and is essential for regulating our biological clock. During the day, blue light helps keep us alert and boosts our mood by stimulating certain brain functions. However, its effects can be a double-edged sword when encountered in excess, especially during the evening. The sources of blue light are more prevalent than you might think. Beyond natural sunlight, which is the most significant source, blue light is emitted by a range of artificial devices, including smartphones, computers, televisions, and LED lights. These devices are integral to modern life, but their use, especially before bedtime, can disrupt our sleep patterns. Our bodies have an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm, which controls sleep-wake cycles. One of the key regulators of this rhythm is a hormone called melatonin, which helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Blue light interferes with this process by suppressing melatonin production. When you expose yourself to blue light in the evening, your brain gets mixed signals, thinking it's still daytime, which can delay sleep onset and reduce sleep quality. Understanding how blue light affects melatonin production helps explain why you might find it harder to fall asleep or why your sleep might be less restful. But how can you address this issue and restore your natural sleep cycle? Next, we'll delve into practical strategies to reduce blue light exposure and improve your sleep quality. Blue light's influence on sleep isn't just a minor inconvenience, it has significant effects on your overall health. At the heart of this issue is melatonin, a hormone crucial for regulating your sleep-wake cycle. When your eyes detect blue light, it sends signals to your brain to stay alert, which suppresses melatonin production. This disruption can make it difficult to fall asleep, lower the quality of your sleep, and even lead to more frequent awakenings during the night. Scientific studies underscore the extent of this impact. Research has shown that exposure to blue light before bedtime can delay the onset of sleep by up to 2 hours. This delay is not just about falling asleep later, but also affects how deeply you sleep. When melatonin levels are suppressed, your sleep tends to be lighter and less restorative. Over time, this can contribute to chronic sleep issues and fatigue. The consequences of poor sleep extend beyond feeling tired. Chronic sleep disturbances linked to blue light exposure are associated with various health issues, including increased risk of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular problems. Furthermore, poor sleep can affect cognitive functions like memory and concentration, making everyday tasks more challenging. So, if you're finding that your sleep isn't as restful as it should be, it's worth considering whether blue light exposure might be a factor. The good news is that there are practical steps you can take to reduce blue light exposure and improve your sleep quality. In the next section, we'll explore how to identify sources of blue light in your life and what you can do to minimize its impact. To tackle the impact of blue light on your sleep, it's essential to first understand where it's coming from and how much you're exposed to. Blue light is emitted by a variety of sources in our daily lives, and recognizing these can help you take proactive steps to minimize exposure. One of the most significant sources of blue light is digital screens. Smartphones, tablets, computers, and televisions all emit blue light that can interfere with your sleep if used before bedtime. The intensity of blue light from these devices is higher than that of most household lighting, making them particularly disruptive. In addition to screens, modern LED lighting is another common source of blue light. LED bulbs, which are popular for their energy efficiency and bright illumination, often have higher blue light output compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. This makes them a potential culprit for evening exposure if used in areas where you spend time winding down. To identify your blue light exposure, consider tracking the times you use electronic devices and how your sleep patterns might be affected. You might notice that evenings spent on screens or in brightly lit environments lead to more difficulty falling asleep or waking up frequently during the night. Understanding and measuring your exposure is the first step towards making effective changes. Once you are aware of where blue light is coming from and how much you are exposed to, you can take specific actions to reduce it. In the next section, we'll explore practical strategies to help you mitigate blue light exposure and improve your sleep. Reducing blue light exposure, especially in the evening, is crucial for improving your sleep quality. Here are some practical strategies to help you minimize blue light interference and foster better rest. 1. Reducing screen time. One of the most effective ways to limit blue light exposure is to cut back on screen use before bed. Try to avoid using smartphones, tablets, and computers at least an hour before going to sleep. Instead, engage in relaxing activities that don't involve screens, such as reading a book, listening to calming music, or practicing gentle stretches. 2. Using blue light filters. Blue light filter apps and screen protectors can help reduce blue light emission from your devices. Many smartphones and computers come with built-in features that adjust screen color to warmer tones in the evening. Enabling these features, such as night mode or blue light filter, can help lessen the impact of blue light on your sleep. 3. Adjusting lighting. Consider switching to warmer, dimmable lights in the evening. Use light bulbs with lower blue light emissions, such as those labeled as amber or red. Smart lighting systems can also be programmed to reduce blue light exposure as bedtime approaches, creating a more conducive environment for sleep. 4. Implementing good sleep hygiene. Beyond managing blue light, establishing a consistent sleep routine can significantly improve your sleep quality. Create a sleep-friendly environment by maintaining a cool, dark, and quiet bedroom. Develop a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. By adopting these strategies, you can minimize blue light exposure and enhance your sleep quality. In the next section, we'll explore additional tips and lifestyle adjustments that can further support better sleep and overall well-being. Beyond managing blue light exposure, several additional strategies can enhance your sleep quality and overall well-being. These tips focus on creating a holistic approach to sleep hygiene and health. Incorporate relaxation techniques. Engaging in relaxation techniques before bed can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Practices such as deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or meditation can reduce stress and promote a sense of tranquility. Activities like reading a book or listening to soothing music can also help ease the transition from wakefulness to sleep. 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is beneficial for sleep as it helps regulate your body's internal clock and reduces stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, but try to finish vigorous workouts at least a few hours before bedtime. Gentle exercises like yoga can be particularly effective for winding down in the evening. 3. Maintain a balanced diet. Your diet can impact your sleep quality. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime, as these can disrupt your sleep patterns. Instead, focus on a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. A light snack before bed, like a small portion of yogurt or a banana, can help if you're hungry. Or create a consistent sleep routine. Establishing a regular sleep schedule is crucial for maintaining healthy sleep patterns. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This consistency helps regulate your circadian rhythm and improves sleep quality over time. By integrating these additional strategies into your routine, you can further support your efforts to improve sleep quality and overall health. In the concluding section, we'll summarize the key points discussed and provide additional resources for those looking to deepen their understanding and make lasting changes. Understanding the impact of blue light on your sleep is the first step towards achieving better rest and overall health. Blue light from screens and modern lighting can disrupt your body's natural sleep-wake cycle by suppressing melatonin production. By identifying sources of blue light and implementing practical strategies, such as reducing screen time, using blue light filters, and adjusting your lighting, you can significantly improve your sleep quality. Incorporating additional sleep-friendly practices such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and consistent sleep routines can further enhance your efforts. Taking action now can lead to more restful nights and improved well-being. Start by evaluating your blue light exposure and gradually adopting the suggested changes. Your sleep and your health will thank you.